almost full. Here we go. Okay, so disaster. Just shampoo hair, nice and fresh shampoo. Length, I just had it trimmed 2 days ago, and this is the length of my hair. Now it is time for leave-in conditioner. I'm getting ready to do a 2-strand twist. So I need to prep my hair. It is wet. I try not to take out all the water from it after I finish wash it, because today I'm gonna use some gel to do my 2-strand twist. So I need a little bit more water in my hair. So this is my hair. This is what it looks like after the leave-in conditioner. You know, it shrinks when we wash it, so this is why I'm showing you the length. It is growing, and I'm trying to grow it. I haven't let my hair grow in over maybe 10 years. I've been shaving it and cutting it, so now is the time to let it grow. It's soft, it's nice. It just got trimmed, so I'm excited and happy about that. Always wipe your hands because it will get slippery as you do stuff. So this is the leave-in conditioner I used. Big old comb, water on my face. That's why I have not put a good scratch. My hair scratching. Anytime I finish shampoo my hair, it's so itchy and it's satisfying. So I do that. Okay, so now 2-strand twist. What do I want to do? Wiping my hands again because I'm gonna do my scalp with the Miel Peppermint. Yeah, I have no glasses on, so it's the Miel Peppermint oil. I'm going to take them, put in the scalp before I do anything. Comes like this, and I'm just going to squeeze everything in my scalp so my scalp is not dry. I always try to make sure the crown of my hair is always moisturized very, very well, because that's where all the issue starts. The crown of the hair, right here, breaks very easily if you don't take care of it. And also the sides. The sides of your hair will break very easily if you don't take care of it. So remember to be gentle with that section of your hair. Now the oil is in my scalp. Close that so it doesn't fall. I have this gel right here I'll start with. It is almost done, so I'll use that. And then when I'm done, when this won't do all my hair, I'll switch to this one for the rest of my hair. I gotta pat the hair. I never pat the hair straight. I just go with the flow. So it doesn't have to pat straight, because once all the 2-strand twists fall together, they will cover most of the patching of the hair. Anyways, so I don't care about patting my hair straight. So I'll do some on the side And then I'll go do the back, and then I'll come back and show you the front. I have no moisturizer on because I just come from the bath, from the shower. So I want to do my hair first, and then I will do my face moisturizer. The sides, I always pat the sides straight. It's as we go along, things tend to change. I have another small comb. I use the small side just to untangle a little bit more. I know the big tooth comb is just for detangling, and then after that I use this to make sure my hair is untangled. And I am planning to do some big 2-strand twist. So I always do small. I try to do small ones on the side of my hair because I don't want to break it. Gel. Now, this is the section that I gave the gel. I'm gonna look and separate it in two. I try to be even with the amounts. And then I twist. And that is what a 2-strand twist is. I have something stuck on my lip gloss. I guess the strand of hair is on my lip gloss. I try to twist the tail end of it very, very good. And then I pull any loose little bit of hair that might have left over from untangling. Wipe your hands or else it will be very, very slippery. So this is the first one. I go back to the second one. More gel, just a little bit, you see, according to the size of the hair, and you want to make sure the hair is not dry, you want it damp. So I go back after I finish smoothing in, I decide how much I want on each side, and then I go. And your hand will get slippery, as you can see. My hand, again, very slippery. And if I need more, like I think I need more, I go right here in the other one and I take a little piece and then I mix it and it becomes 2-strand again. So if you're running out of hair on one or you think it's getting a little too thin, don't be afraid to take some from the other one. And this is it. Now I think my hair needs a little bit more water over here because my hair dries fast. So always have a spray bottle on hand and you just rehydrate the hair. Rehydrate the hair. If you don't have a comb or you don't want to use a comb, you can just go in between like that. It doesn't have to be separate. Like I say, you don't have to separate it all fancy. And I turn this like this because I don't want this to fall. We repeat the same thing. I make sure all the hair, the piece of hair that I'm using is well saturated with the gel, not too much, not enough. Again, I look for a section that I can cut into and I twist. See, my comb don't want to stay. I twist and I twist. I'm just spinning it around, or you can do it like this, the ends. Then you have another one. Last one. Pull it close enough so you can see. Cut it in two pieces. We are finishing up how to do 2-strand twist. Two-strand twist. Hope you learned something today. I will see you soon. Take care, have fun, live your best life now. 'Cause life is just way too short.